Hello everyone, in this video I will review Clear Eyes Eye Drops. Clear Eyes Eye Drops are a popular over-the-counter product used to relieve redness, dryness, and minor eye irritation. Many people like them because they work quickly, often making eyes look brighter and more refreshed within minutes. They're especially handy for those who spend a lot of time on screens, as they can erase digital eye strain. The small bottle is easy to carry, so you can use it at work, school, or while traveling. A big plus is that Clear Eyes is affordable and available at most pharmacies or grocery stores. The drops are gentle and usually don't sting, which makes them comfortable to use for most people. They also help reduce a tired eye look, which is why some use them before going out or attending events. On the downside, Clear Eyes is not a long-term solution for chronic dryness or medical eye issues. Some eye doctors warn that overuse may lead to rebound redness, where eyes become redder once the drop wears off. It's best used occasionally rather than several times a day every day. If your eyes often feel dry due to allergies or conditions like dry eye syndrome, a moisturizing or preservative-free artificial tear may be a better choice. Also, Clear Eyes does not treat the root cause of irritation, it mainly provides quick, temporary relief. Overall, Clear Eyes is great for occasional redness, dryness, or irritation and gives fast results when you need your eyes to feel and look better. But for daily eye health, it's wiser to pair it with good habits like reducing screen time, staying hydrated, and getting regular eye checkups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.